How to add tabs to a product description on Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. Now there are going to be many different ways, including apps that are in Shopify that you can use to create tabs. Mainly Section Store does offer this option, but it is paid. And let's just cut it clear here, most likely than not you will have to pay for this service regardless. If you want to only do one, then in that case, maybe you will get away for free with Common Ninja, because this option does create many different widgets, including tabs as well. So if you want to only create one, and there are going to be a few more rules, you can check out their pricing plans to see why or when you may need to upgrade. But if you only want to create one, I believe you should be good to go. And other than that, you also have many different apps to choose from. But let's say we wanted to use Common Ninja for this case. So let's just go ahead and go to Common Ninja, create your account for free. And then from there, we just wanted to search for a specific widget. So click on Create Widget, and we just want to search for tabs. And you will find this one right here. So just go ahead and click on Create Tab Widget. But like I said, most likely than not, you will have to actually pay for this service. Not necessarily for Common Ninja for the first one, but generally, if you want to create multiple ones, if you have more views than normal, there are a lot of different rules to why you may need to do so. And if not, if you don't want to do it this way, you can just go ahead and search for a app. But anyways, we have these tabs here that we can obviously adjust. To adjust them, you can feel free to just tap on one of them, and you'll be able to just go ahead and change the name. So test here, and we can also add an icon to it. So we have a few things to choose from. I'm just going to use this one. And then the second one, you also can feel free to change that, and you can feel free to add more content to it. So here you have the header, for example. You can change that as well. So here's the product, just test stuff. And if you want to edit the text itself, again, you just want to click on here and change it. So feel free to adjust them to your liking. I'm just going to adjust the name of the tab, the second one here. So I'm just going to add another icon to it. And I'm just going to change the name for the tab. I'm just going to do example. And obviously, if you want to add more tabs, you can feel free to do so from here. And you can also add more elements to them. So it's going to be text. And you also can feel free to change the colors and stuff from here. Or you can just go to the design aspect, which is right over here. So look and feel. You can change the layout. I'm just going to go for this one. And we can also change the colors for them. So the primary, secondary, and so on. I'm just going to make them with that color, I believe, and I think we're good to go. So once you're happy with this, we can just go ahead and click on Save Changes on the top right. And then we basically want to click on this right here, which is Add to Website. Once you click on that, you basically want to go to Add to Website, and then just go for Standard and copy that code. And once you copy it, we can just go back to Shopify. We can go to Products. And then from products, we just want to go for the product that we want. And in the description, you just want to show HTML and add that right over there. And click on Save. If you want to add more content, also feel free to do so in here. So just go and click on Save. And let's just wait for it to load a little bit. Okay, so I did add it to this product instead, because that other one is, it has a lot of variants and it's quite messy. So in this case, I just added it over here. It's exactly the same thing, and I just go to preview. Just make sure you have the editor on. If not, it's not going to work. It's just going to be plain text. And just click on preview, and we should have it right down here. You can click between them, switch the tabs that you want, and so on. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.